Hi everyone, I'm here at the PV magazine booth with Lena Sukhodolska from Atmosfera. Now, Atmosfera is a Ukrainian distributor of solar equipment, and they're operating the largest network of installation companies in Ukraine. So, Lena, thank you for joining us at the booth today.
Thank you for inviting me.
No problem. It would be great to hear about how this year is shaping up for solar in Ukraine. What are you seeing in the solar market?
Well, first of all, I would like to say a few words about the company. We're not only the largest distributor, we operate in Ukraine for the last 20 years. We were the first company to come on this market, to actually develop this market in Ukraine. And what we see right now is that the demand has changed dramatically. So if before the war, before the full-scale invasion, we had to raise awareness about solar energy among Ukrainians. Now we don't have to do that because Ukrainians now understand that it's a matter of their resilience at the end of the day. So the demand on solar and ESS system has grown dramatically right now. And what we see that there are a lot of new players coming on this market from different industries, and we care about the standards of installations very much. That is why we're now trying to do the certification of installer profession in Ukraine, and by the end of this year, with the help of our project Atmosfera Academy, we assume to reach this goal.
Yeah, that's really interesting to hear. Like, I'm sure that certification will really make sure that the new installations that are on the ground in Ukraine are of the quality that you need and doing exactly
safety.
what they.
Yes, we care about safety of projects very much, and cyber safety is one of the issues which Ukraine faces and Europe faces right now.
Yeah. We've also done some reports on PV magazine about the solar and storage systems that are helping communities, post the invasion in Russia. So it'd be really great to hear about how that work is going and what you're seeing there from your network in Ukraine.
So now we see that there is a different type of client, which is community prosumer, as we call them. So the communities are now trying to be resilient, facing the risks of the war and facing the risks of blackouts. And what we see now, that communities, they cooperate with donor organizations and foundations and address us. They come to us and they want to build projects with us, and we help them to reach their goals and their resilience in their communities.
Great. I mean, it is really good to see, these foundations and, other organizations helping these communities to rebuild and to find out resilience with these systems.
Yeah, and you know what? The next thing which I wanted to say is that the market has become very decentralized, and we have many objects like solar plus ESS.
Yeah.
And what we need right now is virtual power plants and EMS system to control this, to monitor this, and to to balance this market.
Yeah. So you kind of can see these virtual power plants as maybe one of the future drivers coming up.
Of course. Now, at this exhibition, we're looking for EMS and VPP partners.
Yeah. Okay. It will be good to be kept updated with how that is going.
Yeah. Hopefully. Thank you.
For sure. Well, thanks for stopping by at our booth, Lena, and enjoy the rest of your time at Intersolar.
Thank you very much.
Hi.